Hi there. In this video, we will cover Quick Search. The Quick Search feature in TechMan allows you to locate jobs, estimates, customers, and parts-only sales from anywhere within the system, helping you access key information quickly and efficiently. The Quick Search functions can be found in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Simply hover over any of these functions, and a free text box will appear. We can at this point search the job number, vehicle make or model, registration, customer name and more. Let's search for BMW here in the New Jobs section to find jobs relating to BMWs. As you can see, this has loaded any relevant jobs relating to our search. Let's also try searching for a customer here. We have some TechMan customer profiles, so let's type that and hit enter. There we have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, do check out our other videos for more useful tips. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.